Tresemme Pleasure and Cleanse. It's like a gel. So because of the length of my hair, I always wash it twice. So I'll shampoo it twice. So after the first one, I rinse it, then I go in and shampoo it again. So second shampoo, same shampoo. And I like to give my scalp a good scrub when I'm lathering the hair. So I'm going to use L'Oreal Elvive Extraordinary Oil Rapid Reviver Power Conditioner. And it's got no leave-in time. So you can put it on and rinse it right away. And I use quite a lot. Right through my mid-lengths and ends. That's where I put most of the product. I just run it through like that. And then, with whatever's left on my hands, I just really wrap it through the root. Just like that. Once the water's warm enough, just go back in and rinse it. And make sure I rinse it really well. Never can get my fingers right through it. wring it out and wrap it into a towel. Like so. Wet brush, and I got it from the beauty suppliers. It's a Wet Brush Pro, and this is the best brush I've ever had. To be honest with you, it's absolutely amazing. It's curved, it's got quite a lot of teeth on it. The teeth aren't really hard, they're flexible, and this brush glides through my hair, wet or dry, and I've never ever had that in my life. This brush is very bendy, so it goes to the curve of your head, as you can see when I'm doing that, and I'm moving it. Really, really good. So I'm going to put some product in my hair, and I'm going to put in some Schwarzkopf Gliss hair repair with liquid keratin conditioner. So I'm just going to spray a wee bit of that in because I've already got conditioner in my hair, like that. Then I'm going to grab my Wow Colour Wow Dream Cocktail Kale Infused. This reduces up to 50% hair breakage, which I really, really like this product. It's been great for my hair. So I'm just going to pop some in my hands. I pop quite a bit in because obviously the length of my hair, but it doesn't request that you do that if you've got short, obviously shorter or medium length hair. It tells you how much to use, but I use extra because of my length of my hair. So just smooth that through. Didn't put any on the roots, just the mid-lengths and ends. And then I'm going to go in with a wee heat protector. This is just a wee cheap one that I've got. I would not buy this again, I didn't like it. I like the smell of it. Then I'm going to go in with my brush for the mid-lengths and ends of my hair, and then brush up. I'll stand up so you can see what I'm doing. It just glides through. Brilliant. Normally I would sit for absolutely half an hour, 45 minutes trying to get the brush through my hair with products in it. Now, like not even 5 minutes and it's through. So I'm just going to grab my hairdryer and then I'll be back. So for my hairdryer I've got the Micro Stratos. So MicroStratos 3600, so 3600. I'm just going to take this and blow dry my hair. As you can see, my hair goes really straight without straightening iron, so I hardly ever straighten it with the irons, to be honest. So I'm just going to pop it into my part, which is on the side. It varies, to be honest. Some days I like it on the middle. And I just keep brushing through it until it's smooth, and to be honest, it's smooth. Front, sides, back. I want to quickly show you the back. Hope you can see that. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.